Hey, what's going on, gang? It's Ho-Shing Photography, and in this video, I'm not even shooting. I'm gonna let my 8-year-old son, Omari, take the camera. Now, this is not one of those shoots where I set everything up for him and then I put all the settings in and put the lighting and then just give him the camera and shoot. No, I asked for his artistic input. So these images are 100% his artistic brain. All I did was just set the technical stuff in. All right, let's go into the field and let's see how he did. All right, so we have here Omari Ho-Shing Photography, and we have the subject, Nina. Say hi, Nina.
Hello.
Are you guys ready to shoot? Okay, do you want your background blurry or in focus?
Blurry.
Now, do you want the background dark, medium, or bright?
Medium.
Okay, you heard it. And you want soft light or harsh light?
Soft light.
Boom, all right, let's do it. So I set my settings to what Omari wants. We got the Westcott FJ200 with a 24-inch Joel Grimes beauty dish.
Trying to get her eye lined up on that line.
All right.
Can you just back up just a bit?
Are you back? How's it looking, Omari?
Good, I already done.
How was that, buddy?
Good.
All right. All right, so we just finished the shoot. Omari killed it, did an amazing job. One part in the video, Omari, you said you were lining up her eyes with the line. What did you mean by that?
So in the picture, it comes out great.
Okay, so you're talking about the rule of thirds. So you lined up her eyes with the line on the rule of thirds? All right, good stuff, man. Who taught you that?
No one. I mean you.
Okay, who?
You.
All right, so good job, Omari. Do you have anything to say to people? You want to tell them to subscribe?
Subscribe.
And like and comment?
Like and comment.
All right, man. Hit that like button if you like the video. If you dislike the video, hit the dislike button 2 times for emphasis.